In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily schedule a message in Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Telegram and then get into a conversation. Now here, first off, we need to enter our message. And then if we want to schedule it for a particular date and time, all we have to do is just long press at the send button. It gives us several options here, and the last one is schedule message. If we select it, we'll be able to select the exact date and time for that message to be sent to the selected conversation. We can schedule our message for the particular date and time, and also we can send this message when this user comes online if we select that option. This can be useful if the user often reads your messages but doesn't open the conversation itself, and you can see if they read the messages or not. To schedule a message, select one of these options. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.